NFI works with many different customers over many different scales. We basically be their expert in how they transport their goods. This building is 980,000 square feet, and it has 7 different customers inside of it.
The lift trucks that we have in this building are the lifeline of what we do. We rely on those trucks to be able to do everything from running in and out of our trailers to putting that product up inside these rack structures. So it's extremely important that they're reliable, that they operate efficiently and effectively for us. We find that the best way to get better at what you're doing is to have people close to you who understand those business needs.
NFI is our largest customer, but really NFI is a partner of ours. We work together, we consult with each other, we're tailoring the product to the application. NFI has been using the UniCarrier product for a long time because of the quality and because of the functionality that it offers. It's going to stay up, it's going to continue to give you low emissions, it's going to give you operator comfort, it's going to give you great visibility, it's going to make your operation successful and run at a low cost.
This operation is 24/7. Just this side of the facility could do 200 trailers in a day. We can get a lot of hours out of our equipment before we need to rotate that out with lowered maintenance costs and, more importantly, consistent maintenance costs. And that's what MHS provides to us through UniCarrier.
UniCarriers has committed their time and energy into engineering an unbelievable product. We're the #1 UniCarrier dealer in North America, and we're really proud of that.
When it comes to expecting the best, that's what we do at every level, and UniCarriers has been able to deliver that to us.